Mula nung pumasok ka sa buhay ko, inakay mo ko na mas mapalapit pa sa ating Panginoon. At syempre, hindi ko nakakalimutan. Ginamit ni Lord itong chopstick sa love story natin. At na-realize ko, para pala tayong chopstick, hindi mag-workout pag mag-isa lang.
Actually, answered prayer ko siya. And actually, ang dami ko pang listahan ng mga prayers ko kay God. God, ito yung mga gusto kong standards. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko intentional, gusto ko thoughtful, ganyan. And yung pasensya talagang mahaba. Ganyan. Tapos, yun, biglang nagulat na lang ako, kaya ito na. Ito na yun.
The phone rang, caught me off guard. I know this feeling, no, I'm dreaming.
Bakit siya? Siya yung binigay ni Lord sa akin. So, alam ko na blessing siya sa buhay ko. Then, lahat ng pinag-pray ko about kay Lord, yun, nasa Kanya na.
This is that right place in that right time, standing on the front lines. This was our fire, still burning. Every ember
God's faithfulness led me here in front of you, a promise of a lifetime with someone whom I have earnestly prayed for even before I met you. Naalala ko yung isang devotion ko last year nang humiling ako ng clear yes ni God, kung ikaw na ba talaga. And He answered me with a verse from 2 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 10. It says, "For all the promises of God find their yes in Him. That is why it is through Him that we utter our amen to God for His glory." Simula noon, hindi tumigil si God na patunayan sa akin na ikaw ang nilaan niya para sa akin.
something I couldn't soon forget, but wouldn't have it any other way.
When you sometimes feel that love is off, it's not there anymore, what we have to do is work on. What we have to do is work on our marriage, work on our commitment.
This is our fire, still burning.
Every time na magkikita kami, meron akong Caesar salad sa kanya without even me asking. And doon ko naramdaman yung love ni God sa akin. Na ganun pala when someone and when God really is faithful in your life. It just hindi lang yung love yung matatouch sa'yo, but the whole life nila.
Away from past mistakes, was sleeping, now I'm wide awake. Close my eyes and something saying just keep dreaming. Grace and wisdom fight this feeling, change my way of morning greeting. Opened eyes but something saying just.
Ikaw ang ko'y piliin at mamahalin ko araw-araw. You are always precious to me, and you are always worth it. Yeah, Beatrice Marie Dawal, I'm yours, all yours, and I promise to do everything to make this new chapter our happiest. Your love fills my heart and my life with happiness, and I am thankful to to walk this new journey of life with you. I love you so much.
I vow to always take care of you and our future children, and I will put faith and support in you when it comes to raising them. You will never feel like you're alone for as long as I'm by your side. Together, we will encourage our future children to honor God together with all their hearts and minds. Mahal ko, gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal kita. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na ikaw ang napili niya makasama ko panghabang buhay. Ako ay sa'yo magpakilangan.